Hi everyone! Hello! Welcome back to JustJessLifestyle, and I want to be the first one to tell you guys, happy holidays. On this special episode of Just Holiday, we are going to be assembling my Christmas tree. So for those of you who don't know, this is my first year in my home and therefore my first time taking true ownership of the Christmas tree assembly and decorations. I'm so excited. It should tie in very well with the theme of my home and it should be beautiful. So today I decided to go ahead and film me putting my Christmas tree together and decorating everything. Of course, I have music in the background, a glass of wine to get me through it, and I'm so excited to see what the finished product looks like and also to determine what else I need to buy, because I know for a fact that I don't have a topper. So I'm gonna 100% need a topper, but there also may be some extra bulbs and kind of specialty items that I feel that I need to buy after the fact. So we're gonna see what holes need to be plugged, but the premise of today's video is to assemble my Christmas tree, get it decorated, and have a good time in the mix. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Let's get these likes and views up, and thank you guys so much for watching. And that's all, folks. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And please make sure that you subscribe so you can stay tuned for more Just Lifestyle and Where to Next Just content. Thank you guys so much. Happy holidays.